Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace headlights on Chrysler 300. Start by parking on level ground and disconnecting the battery to prevent shorts. Open the hood and locate the headlight assembly. Remove clips or screws holding it. Wear gloves to protect the bulb from oils and handle parts gently to avoid damage or misalignment while working. Gather tools and the correct replacement bulb before you begin to avoid delays. A 10 mm socket, flat screwdriver, and needle nose pliers handle most fasteners on Chrysler 300 headlights. Keep a clean cloth to avoid touching the bulb glass and apply a small amount of dielectric grease at electrical connectors. Working methodically and having parts on hand, begin by removing screws and push clips that secure the headlight assembly, keeping them organized. Slide the assembly forward enough to reach the bulb connector and unplug it by pressing the tab. Unclip the bulb retainer, swap in the new bulb without touching glass, and secure the retainer. Reconnect power to test the light, then realign the assembly, tighten fasteners, and confirm proper beam aim and fitment before finishing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.